Whispers from the Brighter World, beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Saturday, July 14th, 2001, 8 am. When you have left this earth, all your present limitations will disappear. Then another life will start for you, built on your current assets. As Francisco told you, a reliable medium plays a critical role by opening the eyes of his fellow creatures onto the realities of the beyond. This gift enables you to help your brothers understand that life is not limited to this stay on earth. It represents only one link in the chain serving their evolution. Franco's evolution is continuing. He has grown in stature, and you will be happy to see when you rejoin him the path he will have covered. His eagerness to progress was great. He has come a long and exemplary way, which is far from ending. His soul is beautiful. We pamper it. He has leisure to serve. He was already driven by this motivation when he was on earth. You have benefited from one another. The encounters of soulmates are generally fruitful. They complement and strengthen each other. You can give thanks to have lived together this experience, fulfilling in many respects. You can rest assured about him. He is a sage who serves humanity and beyond. Babuji Maharaj. Sunday, July 15th, 2001, 8 am. The human heart has infinite capabilities well beyond those recognized with the organ of flesh. Considered as the main organ of the body, the heart is the seat of the soul. This knowledge is not very widespread. It is reserved for followers of spirituality capable of going further into knowledge. Science is timidly addressing this reality, which is grasped by some enlightened researchers. Evidence cannot be revealed easily. When scientists have actually decided to get rid of their old concepts, an important work will be achieved and light will be cast on issues considered as taboos up to now. This new approach will show the reality of the being. Religions add to this confusion by developing views that should be modified. This new century will witness the progress of truth in many areas. There will be a need for the deliberately developed obscurantism to be outdated. A new human race will emerge from the present masses. It will actually knock over these old constructions, which will make room for the great universal truth, sweeping away erroneous ideas. That will be the true revolution, peaceful but effective. It will be the prelude to the great mutation of this planet. Babuji Maharaj.